Hello and welcome back to SimCity, the Let's Play series by HP. So last time we got the trams running and 2 lines of the buses running. They're all looking good. This line isn't having that many people though. Yep, that's pretty good. Just going around. Now what I want to do today is build a line to the airport, which is over here, the large airport terminal, and we're going to build it a elevated metro station because it doesn't cost that much and it uses less space because it's above ground and doesn't obstruct anything. So we're going to place it there. Probably going to place another station there to cover the stadium. Going to link that up. And one over here near the railway terminal. Right there. Yep, just there. And that gets connected. Straight over to there. And don't worry about the boats going under there, they just go straight through all the pillars. Okay, so let's get this train running. Add stop. Because this is an American game, you drive on the right, so trains go on the right. Where in Australia and England you drive on the left. Becomes a bit confusing. Once again, low electricity, low, probably that one. It is the dearest, but uses less electricity. If that's grammatically correct, it uses the most less electricity. Okay, so we'll have probably 2 of those. It should be good and open. And there should be lots of people at this airport one coming in soon. Yep, here come all the people. Walking up all the stairs. It's the metro. Sorry, just knocked the microphone then. Lots of people on those trains. Let's see how the board thinks of good, customer, neutral, vehicles sold, passengers carried 2,790, coverage 44%, which is pretty good because we only have like 4 lines going at the moment, which is excellent. Now we probably want like a bus line reaching these parts up there, so we're going to run a bus from the terminal, and covering those as well, and these little workplaces just here. Can't place a bus stop there for some reason. Not sure why. I can place one there. Excellent coverage. Okay, so we need a new bus line. It's going to be our 3rd one. Up to there. Around. Fantastic. Once again, I think we're going to go with the little buses. Maybe. That bus looks pretty good. Maybe go for 4 of them. Awesome. Open line. You can also name these lines as well by clicking on them and then rename line and call it whatever you want. And there's lots of people going on our trains now, which is good. Lots of people on trams. You probably want more trams extending out to over there, which will probably put the tracks down this episode. Maybe not get the stops in this episode, but we'll see. Yeah, we can get the stops in. We'll get it going the opposite way, just so it doesn't clog up traffic as much. Because trams create queues, and that holds up the traffic, and that causes problems. Those two stops are close together. Managed vehicles. Oh, we've got a new tram. 26, 34, 26, 34, 26, 34, 34. 4 again. And open. Thanks for watching this episode of Cities in Motion. Hope to see you next episode. Goodbye.